there is a relationship between the Treasury and Fed that has set the price of gold essentially 9 times lower than where the market is today. And there is discussion out there about the possibility of remarking gold to current value to then generate additional resources that the government could utilize. Seems pretty easy and clean in one respect. However, we believe it's going to be a bit more complicated in practice. Current law suggests that Congress actually sets the statutory rate on gold. So Congress would have to be the ones who decide to accept a remarking of gold. And we are not sure that Congress would necessarily want to do that in order to allow the government to have more resources that essentially don't need to be paid for with deficits or higher Treasury issuance. That would free up, it would essentially create money to be spent in the economy, almost in ways similar to QE. And in an environment with still elevated inflation and some signs that inflation expectations are ticking up, we are not so sure Congress would want to move in that direction. Now, if they choose not to monetize gold on the government's balance sheet, then if you look at what other assets could be monetized, they generally take you mostly to land, property, and other natural resources.